everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are using our 1.5 millimeter eye pin making pliers. You're going to need some wire, and we are going to be making links for a necklace, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi there, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are making links for a necklace, very much like these ones here. Okay, so what you're going to need is your wire. I'm using 8 millimeter or 0.8 millimeter aluminum wire. You can get it from the hardware store. And I'm using my 1.5 millimeter eye pin pliers. Okay, so to start, you're going to need some wire. I just use scrap wire when I'm making links. So you set it up in your pliers so it's going just a little bit past the cutter. Okay, and then I have a section here where it goes. Okay, now I'm not going to do a bend. I'm just leaving it straight off there as it came. I'm taking it off, and now I'm taking the rest of my wire and I'm feeding it through the hole at the back. I'm taking the, and I'm lining it right up, whoops, sorry. I'm lining it up with this thing, okay? Right there. Okay, and then I make my link. And there you go, my friends. You have another link for your necklace. You make a whole bunch of these. I sit in front of the TV and I just make away and put it together like that, with that right up against that guide. And then I've got another link made. And you can use these in earrings or in necklaces. Excuse the cat hair. Yeah, and they come in handy. Very, very handy to use as a spacer in between your beads. I'll put a link in the description for some of the different jewelry I've made using these links. And yeah, have a great day. Bye now.